What is up, guys? Mike Valle here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and in today's video, we're gonna do a Builderall 3.0 honest review. Okay, so let's jump to it, guys. Let's make my screen a little smaller because I'm not as important. Let's move this to the side and let's get to the content that we're here for. So Builderall, if you guys have not ever heard of this platform before, this platform is a all-in-one marketing tool. This tool will help you take your business to the next level, and that's pretty much their whole little slogan here. All the tools you will ever need to quickly and easily grow your business online, start, grow, and scale your business all in one location. And they're honest about this, guys. I've been with Builderall since 2017, and these guys have only improved from since I first joined using this platform for my business. They have only improved. Um, they used to be very glitchy, we can be honest here, and a lot of people who are familiar with Builderall know that these Builderall sites were glitchy at some points. They weren't as responsive, and to put something new in here, they have this new Cheetah Builder Pixel Perfect responsive technology, and this thing is beautiful, guys. It's amazing. I already messed around with it and it's crazy. And they have all these other tools that will help you take your business to another level. So this is a whole website builder, right? If you have a business where you need a website, boom. If you need a business with your funnels, funnels are needed for almost every freaking business if you want to scale. If you're not familiar with what a funnel pretty much gets the client, the customer, and funnels them into your sequence where you make a sale. It's so different from a traditional website, where in a traditional website, it's intended to be information and it doesn't direct the customer to a direct sale. But with a funnel, you just funnel them in and you make the money. And that's why funnels are so freaking amazing, guys. Every business should use one. Webinars, they have a webinar integration in there. You can create your own webinars and stream them live with actual people or even ghost people. If I don't think they added it in here, they don't mention it, but you can also create this whole thing where you have ghost attendees to your webinar. In case you're starting off and you don't have that many people, you can create a list of people that are in there conversating, even though it's not really you, to make it seem like your business is actually at a higher level when it actually isn't. um, so it's pretty cool thing. Email marketing, that to me is the coolest thing, is that this whole tool, for a very cheap price, you get all this stuff, right? And you get email marketing inside as well. So if you build a funnel, if you build a site, you can have a mailing autoresponder, right? A whole email marketing sequence for your business, right? Where you can send out emails to potential clients, to already clients, where you could keep retargeting them and keep getting them to buy things from your company, keep getting them interested in your products. Email marketing is powerful. Email marketing can increase your sales dramatically because those are repeat customers that are already bought something from you. If you are a digital product, if you are a actual product, if you are a B2B business, if you're an actual e-commerce store, all this works for you. um, Customer relationship management, e-commerce, powered by Magento, which Magento is one of the leading platforms for e-commerce, up there with Shopify, and what's the other one called? Can't remember it right now. Shopify, Magento, and I'm sure you guys know which one I'm talking about. But if you have an e-commerce store, you can build one on here on Builderall and still get all these tools. They have a digital magazine builder. If I don't really use that one, but if you want to create this whole digital magazine, boom. E-learning platform. This platform right here, you can create your own courses and teach your own things of whatever you yourself are an expert at, whatever your business is. You can create little trainings and put them up on your own site through the e-learning platform. It's pretty damn amazing. You can create apps on here. You can wrap videos. It tracks your clicks. You can track your clicks for your whatever kind of things you want to do. If you're doing marketing strategies where you want to know where people are coming from, boom, they have that. Browser notifications. If you get those annoying notifications that pop up on the top sometimes, you can be that annoying person, because it works for marketing, guys. It works for sales. It works to help you make more money. It's annoying for us on the other side, right? When we see it, we don't like it. Mockup Studio Editor. Um, This is pretty much where you can put your pictures into like a whole little mock-up studio. I don't know if you guys have seen those designs where you have like a MacBook, right, and you put your stuff in there, or a cell phone, right, like an iPhone, and you put your stuff inside. In the mock-up studio, you can do that. On-page SEO report. Pretty much you can see the whole report of how your website's doing, what it can improve on, and many, many more. I don't want to just bore you with the stuff, but if you can look at all this freaking stuff, not only can you actually try this out for free, guys, you can try it out for free. Builderall's that freaking crazy and amazing. I have the 7-day free trial, no credit card required, in the description below, so you do not need to, it's no strings attached, pretty much. You don't need to like commit to it. You can just jump in there and try it out. So all this stuff, go ahead, sign up and walk through it with me. I mean, it's free right here. Try it for 7 days for free. So let me take you inside my back office. So this is actually my account. I've been with them since 2017. As you can see in my account report, it's pretty hefty with things on here. I have 56 websites slash blogs. They're sites. They're not blogs. I don't have any blog sites on Builderall. And the reason I didn't have any blogs on Builderall is because at the time the blogging platform, I didn't like it. It didn't work well. And if you're a blogger, if your main thing is blogging, then I still recommend WordPress. I have all my blog sites on WordPress. But if your website is an affiliate site, any other site, if it's a landing page, if you're trying to make sales, not a blog, then this is the place for you. It works great. I mean, I split my landing pages through here and through ClickFunnels for both various different reasons, but both platforms work very well. Just that this one you get more bang for your money. And ClickFunnels is amazing. I love ClickFunnels, don't get me wrong, but it's a little more on the pricier side. So if you're already an established entrepreneur, ClickFunnels, can go and check it out. But if you're starting off and you want to get something cheap that has so many other tools, then jump onto Builderall. I have 17 email lists with 3,000 subscribers. Let's get out of my account, right? When you get your back office, it's going to be empty. You're going to click here to install more tools, and you're going to get the option to install them. Plus, they have all these tabs of like extra add-ons, workshops to train you on how to use the platform. Just a bunch of training, support. They have a very good support system. They have courses on here, master classes and boot camps to train you and all this other stuff. But let's just go to install more tools so you can actually see the list of tools on there. So let's let that load. And as you can see, we have all these freaking tools, right? So many tools. Builderall 3.0 has gone out of their way and made this a mega site. Pixel Perfect Builder, it's pretty cool. If we enter it now, oh, it's already on my dashboard. That's why I can't really. So let's just go home. Let's go home. Come on, load a little faster. Let's see. Pixel Perfect Builder. This might be because I'm streaming right now. Why it's going so slow. No bueno. Okay. So we're back on the back office, right? It's loading. Pixel Perfect Builder. Let's enter that now. And they have tutorials, as you can see right here. They got tutorial videos to teach you how to actually use the platform. Come on, let's get in there. One moment, please. Okay, so these are all my sites, right? I got a bunch of sites. Which one should we see? Let's just look at this AdZZ site. This was my marketing agency that I created a long time ago with a business partner. And it's a pretty nice site. I mean, if you could look at it, it's very responsive. You can request free quotes, right? I have all these things, why us, founders, and testimonials, and boom. It's a pretty basic site with nice little, customizations and all these tabs, email, number, social medias and whatnot. So it's pretty nice, pretty easy to use as well. Let's create a new one. Let's do a new site. Okay, let's see. One moment, please. It's moving a little faster now. So you see all these templates over here, right? There's so many freaking templates you can use, or you can start from scratch. When you're getting started, I recommend you get a template and you customize it. Once you get more experience with Builderall, it's very easy to use. Trust me, it is super easy. Eventually, you're gonna want to start from scratch and make these crazy, amazing sites on your own. But let's see. Square Web Design Company. What kind of company should we look at? Let's do, what would I think you guys are? Let's see. Let's say you guys are a design agency, right? Let's see. Design agencies. So we got these templates for a design agency. So we got real estate, technology, automotive, sports. Uh, let's not do those. Let's do a food page. Let's be a food page. Restaurant, express, or cafe. Let's be a restaurant. Let's edit this. Uh, let's edit this restaurant page. So now that I click edit, you get this little nice graphic here, and you can actually customize the site to however you want your site to be. So let's say we took over this website site, which is kind of nice. It's kind of cool looking. You can add your picture here, right? You can just this is actually a background. So let's see. So it's a banner, right? Appearance. They have an image here. That's what that is. I can erase this image and we can just put some colors. Let's make it a gradient, nice little gradient background. Boom. Gradient background. Let's go. However you want it, Boom. Just clickable, all very easy to move. Welcome to my site. Super easy to use, guys, and literally you just drag. And the coolest part about freaking Builderall is if you want to put your stuff anywhere, boom, you can put it anywhere on the site, which I don't recommend you to put it here. You could even cover the button, but I don't recommend that, guys. I do not recommend that. But I mean, that is pretty cool feature, right? You can move stuff around and put it anywhere. You cannot do that with any other platform. Like, you can't just grab this box and say, I want it over here. You just can't do that with anything else, guys. That's what makes Builderall so easy to use. And let's look at these tools real quick. If you click to the little plus sign here, you got all these amazing tools you can use. You got text that you can add, animation. As you can see, the text is like blanking in and blanking out. We got buttons you can add, like this green button I have here, but you can add all kinds of colorful buttons. Look at this, all these nice customizations. Let's return. You can add images. Not only can you add those basic images, you can have a hover. You can have a 3D image. You can have an effect on the image with a button on there. You can do pretty much a lot of things with Builderall. You can change your menu. You can add social media. You can add a video, audio. You can do YouTube, Vimeo, Vidello. You can add a Spotify playlist, SoundCloud. Like, there's so much things you can do on Builderall. It's so crazy. I love the timers. It like increases, scarcity. Oh man, we close our timers. Let's go back to those timers. And there's some real cool timers in here. I really love this promotion one. So promotion ends. Come and try my free food right here, guys. Come on, try my restaurant right here. Promotion ends in 6 days. You don't sign up now, you miss out. And yeah, guys, it just has so many cool things. Like, Builderall is so easy to use. You just save it. You can preview what I've done already. I didn't save. Okay, I don't want to save actually. And that's a web view, and then you can also have mobile view, and same thing for mobile. You can just edit it very easily. You see how this stuff is not actually in there? We're just gonna return to edit, and we're gonna actually edit that mobile part of the things. Let's see, we're on edit, we're on mobile, and we just want to move this stuff in here. Look at that. Boom, promotion ends. Oh, boom, welcome to my site. Just like that, guys. Super simple, super nice, super responsive. I mean, for 30 bucks, you get a very good tool. I mean, I don't know how to explain it any better, but Builderall is amazing, guys. Again, there's no catch. There's no hidden gotcha from Builderall if you sign up. There's none of that. You can try it for absolutely free, 7 days. Go in there, mess with the platform, build some sites. If you yourself are having trouble with sites, we'll do this. If you sign up to Builderall under my link, I will throw in a bonus. This bonus will be that you have to be a paying customer, so not on a free trial, because then I will not get anything. So if you end up becoming a paying customer to Builderall, I will build your site for free. Your site or funnel, whatever you want, whatever you're working for, whatever you're planning to do with Builderall, I'll build your first site for free. From there, I can consult you and help you to further improve or even make other ones. But the thing that makes Builderall so amazing is that you do not have a limit of how many sites you can create. And yeah, you got other tools that you can use. You got the email autoresponder, which is pretty cool, and you can synchronize it with your account and all these other tools. So, I mean, hands down, in my opinion, Builderall is one amazing tool. As you can see, I got 50 campaigns on here, and I just get all these random people signing up to some random email list that I have set up. And yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got enough value from this Builderall. Again, like, you have all these tools you can use. It would be crazy if I just went through all of them. So what I plan to do is eventually break them down one by one, every video, every tool into a video, because it's just gonna be so much, and I'm gonna bore you guys and make this like a freaking 2 hour long video. So we do not want to do that, right? So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a honest review for Builderall 3.0. Again, I think this platform is amazing, and it can really help you out with your business. So thanks for watching. This was Mike Valle. You guys have a great day.